Hey everyone, Kitty here with Kitty's Glam Rides, and we have the 2025 Hyundai Santa Cruz XRT. Let's go ahead and take a look. Now up front we have this big grille, big LED daytime running lights, fun bright orange tow hooks, and these look like teeth. You got two of them and they help you out of some sticky situations. But of course, we're really loving these lights. Now let's take a look at the wheels. We have 18-inch wheels here. I love the design. Very interesting, right? Very rugged. And you'll notice a little Easter egg there. It's a little Hyundai Santa Cruz right above the wheel. Now, what do you think of this Hampton gray color? Which option would you choose? It's got a really cool design and shape to it. And at the rear, we have a lot to look at, right? Okay, so we have the XRT design coding from the badge, right? Fun LED taillights. And you'll notice up here on the bed utility, we actually have a cover. Tailgate down. So much space. And in the back, those step-ups. Multiple places to step, actually. Very helpful when you need to load things in and out of your truck bed. Okay, so enough about the exterior. Let's go ahead and take a look inside. Up front, we have a black interior. You have all of your buttons right there. The window, the lock, your mirrors, somewhere to put something. Maybe it's a key fob, lipstick, I don't know, whatever you want. Got cup holder space in here. And then as we go inside, we've got a powered seat. Really nice interior, actually. The black, you see that XRT logo, comfortable seats. I love the steering wheel. Now, it doesn't have a bright contrast like it would like if it was an orange or a yellow or a blue, right? But in the sunlight, it does have a nice differentiation there. Let me see if you can get a better shot of that. There we go. So yes, it does kind of match, but it looks great. And it's very ergonomic. You got your paddle shifters, all the buttons for everything that you need up front. And I like that it also has that design coding from the Ionic and that seamless integration of the digital gauge cluster into the infotainment. It's one of my favorites. Now, if you look down here, we do have buttons so you can select things for your screen, whether that's map, you want to search for something, the media, change the track. Okay, and yes, of course, you can control the volume here. Also, the dual climate control. I like those little knobs. And then also you can select here if you want more fan. You know, I always like to put the high fan, but then I feel like I'm Marilyn Monroe and then it's a problem, right? So I just, you got to pick your speed. And then we also have heated front seats, especially when it is cold here shortly. Right now it's fall, so it's still hot. So we don't get to test that out just yet. But down here, we love connectivity. All that charging you're gonna need. So USB-C, got 2 of them, and you have a Qi2 charger here, wireless charging. So my phone is down here, but look at that. I like it because you can just put it in there. Boop, done. And it's doing its thing. And then I have extra space as well. If I wanna store something like maybe my key fob. And I really like the shifter. It's very ergonomic, feels nice in your hand, and it's just very complimentary to your driving. And of course the cup holders, pretty big. And then we have our drive modes. Now, let's show you what it looks like when we select the drive modes down below. This is what you're gonna see on the screen. I like that one. It's a fun little animation, right? What do you think? You know I love space and storage. So, let's see what we can fit in here. I've got some cables, my glasses. All right, you can fit a lot in here. And oh look, my pop socket. So yeah, there's a lot. And then some. In storage, yeah, there's a little bit more that you need to take a look at. This has stuff even in the passenger side where you can store more things right at your fingertips. To the right of the infotainment, right here is this cute little shelf, all right? And it does have functionality to it. So it's got this little bit of a lip here. So that way you can put something in and it'll stay while you're driving. And there's 2 different dividers there too, so that's a nice little plus. For example, see? Nice and organized. We love that. Now, when you look up, you can set it where you either press the lights to do both on at the same time or individually. So, for example, you have 1 or 2, right? Or you press this one, they both come on. That's pretty handy. Up front, we love the wheel design, the unique details, that seamless infotainment to digital gauge cluster, dual climate control, and all the storage options you have plus connectivity. Yeah, I think this is a win so far. What do you think? But before you get any thoughts in action that you're gonna drop in the comments, because I know you are, let's take a look at the back seat. As we go into the back seat, you can see there are more storage options here. You have a cup holder. And then as we go in, you're gonna see there is plenty of legroom. I like that you also have the vents. That's important for the back seat. And then you also have more connectivity. That way people in the back can charge their phones, iPads, Nintendo Switch, whatever they're doing, and still be ready to go. Now, I know that there is no pocket here, but there is a pocket here. So if you want to store those devices or snacks, whatever you want, at least you have the option. You can install car seats, so that's nice. And of course, we turn this way. Excuse me. Now we have more cup holders and a nice armrest. Or put it away and you can have someone sit here. Just depends on what you need, right? And we can take the view of the bed from back here. You saw that we have space here for 1, 2, and 3 in the back seat. What else could you want? Of course, I know a chauffeur, right? No, we like to take control and drive ourselves, right? You know, you can enjoy being a passenger princess. I know I do sometimes when I'm tired, or taking control and having fun and driving on the road. Yes, we're all about that too. So everyone's covered, right? Yeah. And little ones in the back, super excited because they can charge all their devices. And even if it's just 3 adults in the back that you're carting around, your friends, right? You're on a friend's trip. You want to have options to like space out, they do their thing, and you're not on top of each other. That's what counts, is having the ability to have all the connectivity, the comforts, and everything on the go without feeling like you're missing something. But what am I missing right now? You know, the people on the drive, right? I know. In the back, the space, connectivity to take 3 with you on the go. And up front, you can put just about anything you need. Powered heated seats up front. And a wheel design we love. Simple, seamless design that was very thoughtful. Can keep everyone cool, charged, and ready to go with everything you need. Okay, so just how powerful is this AC system? Well, let's take a look and do a hair test. Model behavior. All right, so the point of this is to see how much airflow we're getting. Oh my gosh, my hair is going crazy right now. Okay, but as you can see, you get a lot of airflow here. Oh, we got a flyaway. That's not cute. But I like to be cool, so maybe not to this extreme, right? I know I grew up in Miami, hurricane force, we're used to this. But, you know, if we have it halfway, it's still flowing. Gorgeous, darling. Look at that. Ugh. She's nice and cool and chilly. Stone Cold Fox. You know, let me have my moment, okay? Okay. The AC is definitely one of my favorite features because it's underrated and you don't want to be stuck anywhere without airflow. Let's be real. And you can have your own model behavior anytime you want. In the 2025 Hyundai Santa Cruz XRT, you saw everything from the front with those LED bright lights, right, with the daytime running lights, the tow hooks, and a bold contrasty color to the Hampton gray. Starts at $40,000, but this one as tested is $41,605. Do you think it's worth it? Let us know what you think. Again, thanks for watching. I'm Kitty, Kitty's Glam Rides. Subscribe, watch my other videos, and say hello. Until then, see you on the next drive.